Hey everyone! Need a break from Facebook but don't want to delete your account? Here's how to deactivate your Facebook account. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and here tap the menu or the three lines in the screen. And scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. And here click Settings. And go to Account Center. And here tap the Personal Details and select Account Ownership and Control. Then, choose Deactivation or Deletion and select your account. Then here, tap Deactivate Account. Follow the on-screen steps and confirm with your password. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now deactivated. You can come back anytime by logging in again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.